Welcome back to the Sleds and Gear YouTube channel, where we discuss snowmobiling and review the latest in snowmobile gear. Today we are installing tunnel protectors on our 2022 Skidoo 600 EFI. This tunnel protector kit gets installed to prevent our 1.4-inch studs from destroying our heat exchanger over rough terrain. You get shredded in the gym, not on the trail. This has to be the easiest installation I've ever done on a sled. The protector goes together like this and is secured with 2 screws. Then the front of the tunnel protector gets secured in a pre-punched slot by the heat exchanger, and the 2 back ends of the protectors are installed with the 2 provided rivets. The holes for the tunnel protector rivets are already pre-drilled, so you don't even need a drill bit on this one. This 136-inch Renegade gets 1 set of these protectors, while I believe the backcountry and longer sleds, like mountain sleds, use 2 sets, similar sets of these tunnel protectors. The front tunnel protection comes pre-installed by Skidoo. Total install time for this was less than 15 minutes. If you like this kind of content, consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.